Hey folks, Larry here, and it's that time. Mail call. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Don't leave! Wait till I open up this package. Here we go. Ta-da! This came in today, in fact. I wonder what it is. What do you think it is, Mr. Announcer?
A big pig pen?
A pen. Well, let me see. I don't think so. Wish it was. Got all like that. Okay, here's a new shirt. Love it. That is knockout gorgeous. Look at this. Okay, real quick. And the gentleman, the pen enthusiast, the artist, the explorer, the man with a heart and ear for music, and what else titles does he carry?
He's an underwater archaeologist.
That is heavy stuff. His name is Craig
Williams.
And it's got his name down here, Craig Williams. Yep. He is the one that designed the bug. So this is the grandson to the pen bug. Yep, there he is. All his glory. Look at that beautiful fountain pen that Greg did. Greg did an amazing job, right? So there it is. And then I asked Mr. Announcer to put this on a shirt the way I thought it looked cool. And then I have some that has the logo here and then this on the back. And then I've got some coming. Well, one's for Greg that's coming in. It's going to be white. And a mask for Greg. Just a special thank you to Greg for all he's done for me. And so, Greg, if you're out there.
Craig,
if you're out there, peace and love, my brother. Keep on rocking it, boy. So, that's it. Until my next mail call. Grab a pen, ink it up, write a letter, get personal, get off that computer, forget them emails, get yourself an envelope, a stamp, and use one of your fountain pens with one of your inks and just have a blast, okay? Peace, love, and hugs to all. Wash those hands and don't text and drive. I'll talk to you later, and hold on before you go, la la. Bye.